Can I persuade you to take a sandwich with you, sir? Remember, there are many species in which the female is deadlier than the male. Only vampires loathe daylight more than Batman. With all those compartments on your belt, you'd think there'd be one for tissues. If it's suicide you're after, I have an old family recipe. It's slow and painful. You'd like it. I drew you a bath. You really scared me, Master Bruce. If you Jimmy Gazellin, who employs butlers anymore? What is the point of all those push-ups if you can't even lift a bloody log? Why, you're the very model of sanity. Oh, by the way, I pressed your tights and put away your exploding gas balls.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.